Okay, today we're doing a rotisserie on the Broil King Sovereign. We're going to use the back burner back here only. The bottom burners are not going to be on whatsoever. First of all, I got some apple chips right here. We're going to put those back here on the back burner. You can put those in there dry or wet. We've got the turkey tied up right now. We got the spit forks going in both sides. And before we engage it into the motor over here, we've got to get it balanced. So right now the heaviest part of the turkey is on the bottom side. We're going to take one rotisserie weight, we're going to put it opposite the heaviest side right here. We're going to snug that up. This one here is loose. We're going to leave it loose here, and now I'm going to kind of turn it here with my hand to kind of see how it's balanced out. We still have a heavy side here. I'm going to put the second weight opposite the heavy side, so we're going to put it on the top side here. Get it snugged up with a pair of pliers, and now we'll give it another test run. Looks pretty good. We're going to engage it into the motor here, give it a quick turn on, and turkey's spinning away here. We're going to light the back burner, kind of a medium high. I'm going to light it manually. Again, the back burner is the only burner that we have on. It's going to be cooking the turkey from the back. Now, underneath the turkey, I've got a glass Pyrex dish. You can use aluminum foil or anything you've got around the house that will work for you. In the marinade pan, we're going to put a can of beer. We're just going to pour that in here. We just want some type of a marinade to help keep the turkey moist. The marinade pan is also going to catch all the drippings down here, and it will smoke and vaporize up into the meat to help give it flavor. So we've got one can of beer. We're going to put a big cup of water in here. You don't have to use beer. You can use Sprite, Coca-Cola, whatever you can come up with. We just want some type of a liquid in here to help keep the turkey moist. We're also going to put a good squirt or two of some wishbone Italian dressing just to add some flavor to it. Now on the turkey itself, you can season it up with whatever you want. Today I'm just going to use some olive oil over the turkey just to help give it some flavor. This is a real simple marinade. You can use it on your turkeys, you can use it on your chickens, prime rib, anything you can attach to that spit rod. This marinade will work for you. So I've got it lathered up here with some olive oil. Next, I'm just going to season it up with some Lowry seasoning salt, just to season it up a little bit. You can use your favorite rub. Again, this is just some basic stuff that works great on everything. Next up, we're just going to hit it with some garlic salt. If you want to get more creative, you can put some slivers of garlic under the skin. Stuff the turkey if you want to. Put an apple in there. Whatever you can come up with will work. So we're seasoned up, fire's going away, we're starting to get a little smoke there in the back, and we're going to shut the hood now and let her go for about 3.5 to 4 hours until it's done.